In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan to write any essay using Notion. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, managing tasks, and planning projects. Today, we're going to focus on how you can use it to create a streamlined essay writing process. So, sit back, grab something to take notes, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to Notion. Open up your web browser and type in Notion, so to access the website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for those who already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, we're going to start customizing your Notion space to fit your essay planning needs. In the upper left corner of your Notion workspace, you'll notice a small arrow icon. This is our next step. Click on that arrow, which will give us access to the templates section. Using templates is one of the most powerful features of Notion. They save you time and set a structured foundation. In the templates section, scroll through until you find a search bar. Here, you should type in essay to filter the templates specifically suitable for essay writing. Once you've hit enter, Notion will bring up a wide array of templates. Don't worry if you're overwhelmed. The next step is to streamline this list to see the best options. After typing essay, you'll see an option to show all search results. Clicking on this will expand the view, giving you more detailed insights into each template available. Take a moment to explore what's on offer. Consider what you need for your essay writing process, perhaps something that includes sections for research, drafting, and revising. With the expanded view in front of you, it's time to choose your preferred template. Find one that appeals to your needs in terms of structure and layout. When you have made your choice, click on that template. This action will allow you to add it to your workspace. Once you've clicked on your chosen template, you'll see an option that says Add. Clicking Add integrates this template into your Notion account. Afterward, there's another prompt you'll need to consider, a button labeled Add to Private. Choosing this option keeps your planning process personal and organized within your own space. Finally, now that the template is part of your space, click on See Template. This action opens up your template, allowing you to dive in and start personalizing sections to fit your essay requirements. Rearrange elements as needed and fill in the sections with your thoughts, deadlines, and any references or research you've gathered. And there you have it, a structured approach to planning your essay using Notion. With these steps, you'll find writing an essay more organized and less daunting. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires a more efficient and creative writing process. Thanks for watching and happy writing!